Hey guys, it's Sandy here from YC Onion. So there's this lens that creates the perspective our human eyes cannot, and that is the 24mm macro probe lens by Venus Optics by Laowa. So this lens can shoot objects in really close distance and give stunning results. Now let's take a look at some shots that we took using this lens and YC Onion Hotdog slider. Amazing, isn't it? The probe lens is very long itself, so it's easy to jitter. To avoid that, we'll use the motorized slider. Set point A and point B and the speed of the hotdog slider, and it'll pull and push the lens automatically and stably. One thing to notice is that the maximum aperture of this lens is f14, so make sure there's lots of light when shooting. Here we're using a LED light that's about 300 watts and a pudding light as a fill light. The built-in LED ring up front can help you light up some places where your regular photography light can't reach. The front 20cm of the lens is made waterproof, so you don't need to worry about that, and can even get some underwater shots if you want. With a turntable, it unlocks more interesting camera movement. Turn on the RGB cycle mode on the pudding light, it immediately gives a sense of futuristic. Alright, so that's it for today. If you find it helpful, as usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.